Buddy, well, we made these. You can place them on hedges and chopped by its size.
So what have you made then, darling?
We made these. You can put them like this.
How did you make them?
So we outlined a butterfly and a dragonfly.
Mm-hmm.
We cut it out, and then I coloured them in and did most of them like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
And what can you do with it?
You put it on every plant you like and take a picture.
Ah, so what kind of patterns? You found some leaf? What does a brick look like? Oh. What else can you see?
And the steps.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What about your top? Can you get it on your top?
And a dragonfly.
Wow.
I need to go under the tree. One of these like a bird.
You gonna put it on the bark then? Other way around, darling. Cool.
What does he click on the bin?
I reckon it'll be a lot like your top. Yeah.
Dragonfly on the bin.
Mhm.
I should have done a fly.
What about on the grass? Aw, speckledy.
In the sky. Ooh.
Can you see? Let's try and get it up. That looks amazing.
Here, hold this.
Are you going to say bye, darling?
Bye.